So today we'll be going over how to submit an assignment inside of Schoology. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your Schoology and navigate to your courses. You'll see your courses listed right here in the front of Schoology. First place we're going to go to is the future of jobs as just an example. Now, what I want you to get used to is the different type of icons that they're going to be available to you. So if we zoom in here, we can see that we have the double dialogue, um, little bubbles here, and then the square with the pencil for the Google submissions. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the discussion thread. And in a discussion thread, how you want to submit your assignment is going to be just go ahead and type in right here and post the assignment. That's simple as that. Now, for the other type of submission that we have, it's going to require you to do a little bit more. So when you click into this one, which looks like the square with the pencil, you're going to click on it, and then in the right corner you will see submit assignment right here. Now when you click the submit assignment, it's going to bring you to this upload area. So there's 2 or 3 ways to do this. The first way is going to be to locate the file and then find it on your desktop. So I go ahead and save my stuff to my desktop. That's ways easy for me to locate. So you just click in here, open, and that's going to submit it straight to the instructor. You can put comments here and then submit it. The other way to do it is going to be the Create Resources tab. So you can go ahead and just press the Create tab, and then you just type in your assignment right here. And this will allow you to turn in the assignment if you don't have access to something like a Word document or a Google Drive document. You can go ahead and save your draft here if you're not finished, which will put it in this corner right here. And then if you ever want to go back in, you just press Edit Draft and you can continue the work that you did for that assignment. So this has been just a quick overview of how you submit an assignment to Schoology. Thank you.